Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So yeah, DOT is just doing what it's supposed to be doing. It was supposed to come down a little lower against resistance. I think I gave you that resistance area in the last update between $3.87 and $3.91. Against that resistance level, we said we focus on lower and we are waiting for the first impulse that could show from this region. So DOT has basically done what it needs to do. We've got enough waves to the downside to complete this entire correction. I'm currently counting the move down as a Z wave in a very, very complex correction. I'm pretty much watching the area down there around $3.45 to around about $3.56 for a potential target. And this is overall the entire target range for this entire move down that we've been tracking, which basically started in February already. We have finally arrived. Been talking about this target range for a while. So far, there was no impulse to the upside. And it's now getting more and more interesting and exciting because we're really coming into the region where also the smaller time frames now suggest that a low could be in. Well, you know, we really only know it when we see a bit of a reaction. So at the moment, just be aware if you're buying now, you're just catching the falling knife. But things can turn around quickly in crypto at some point. Now, if we talk about Fibonacci extension levels, so we can, for example, look at this Fib extension as a potential target. It would take us to around about $3.50, which is why I just said, look, this is one of the levels that I'm watching, $3.50. Another level I'm watching would be, take the length, this $3.45, the 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, and that's why I said, you know, I'm watching this area between $3.45 and round about $3.55. There are a few Fibonacci levels. And also we've got the trend channel here that the price might react to. Yeah, we're very close anyway to the lower boundary line. And that would also be around $3.55. So it's really getting interesting now. I mean, it's a bit of a catching the falling knife situation at the moment. But honestly, the price has moved down significantly since the beginning of the year. And I'm not suggesting this is bullish. Okay, it's not. At least not yet. Okay, and this could turn around, obviously. But we've had since February, March, the price has come down more than 50%. It has even made new bear market lows. And yeah, it's all about watching now for a potential reversal signal. Yeah, and that could happen quickly. And the first signal that a reversal is occurring would be a break above initial resistance at $3.91. In addition to that, we have the B wave high. There would be further evidence if we see a break above $4.11. And even better would be a break out of the corrective price channel coupled with a break above $3.31. So it's just always a question of how much confirmation do you need. But I can tell you that at the moment there is no signal that a low has been established. So I still focus on lower, but it doesn't have much space left. Doesn't mean it couldn't extend lower. It certainly can, but we would then need to revise the overall assumption on the chart. But we're basically in the region where I'm watching very closely for reactions. Just keep in mind there's nothing bullish yet. Looking at the indicators, looking at the 4-hour chart, massively oversold. Now on the 4-hour, last time it was massively oversold. It did move from around $3.91 to $4.30. Nothing major, but still a decent rally. Also, we had here a decent rally from $4.19 to $4.80. Looking at the daily chart, we're now also oversold. But as the MACD shows you, the downside momentum is still increasing. So there is currently no signal that a turning point is there where the price is turning around. Okay, but it's very much important to, I think, be watching for potential signals now in this region, now that the price has really fulfilled all the expectations. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.